today's video, I'm going to construct a lead sequencer using 4 patterns. So, first thing first is I'm going to drag all the components, which are breadboard, Arduino, then, placing it right, the potentiometer, the 12 LED, so placing all the LED in the breadboard. So you can change the color of your LED, whatever you want. So, just wait. Now, the resistor. It also have 12 resistor for this activity, connected to the negative leg of LED. So we also need 12 resistor again. A resistor has 100 ohms. Okay, wait for a while. All resistors are connected to the negative leg of LED. So I'm done with the resistor and the LED. Next, this leg of potentiometer is connected to the positive leg of LED. So all the positive leg of LED is connected to the ground of breadboard. So as you can see, I can change the color of my jumper wire. So now I connect it all. So this is the last. Just wait. Okay, I'm placing my Arduino right. So the D2 of Arduino is connected to the LED one, which is connected also to the resistor. Again, the D3 is connected to the second LED. I mean the D3, yeah. I'll continue the all connections from D4 to the third lead of LED. So, in this connection, D2 of Arduino to D13 of Arduino is connected to the first lead to number 12 of LED that placed in the breadboard. So please watch all the connections. Okay, I'm done with the D13 to 12 lead. Now, so in this potentiometer, this leg of potentiometer is connected to the is connected to the source of breadboard. Okay. So the ground of Arduino is connected to the ground of breadboard. Okay. Just wait. Okay. So as you can see, I'm done with all the connections. For this time, it's time for the coding. So click blocks and text. So since this code is not useful or included in this activity, I'm going to delete it and paste my code that I included a while ago. So as you can see the code, so we have 12 LEDs. Okay, so in this code it also have a 4 patterns. It's time to simulation. Please observe the output of this activity. Okay, this is the first pattern where first lead is going to let first followed by 2 until 12, and then second pattern is the number 12 LED is going to let first then down to 1. So the third is which 12 and first LED is going to let, and then followed by the another LED, then the last is they are going to lead together.